Check the red tag on the foreleg.
Reading shows normal hydration levels. Keep the scanner steady on the shoulder.
Their hydration levels look optimal.
Agreed. The data confirms the intake metrics.
Status on 7 Alpha is stable. Proceeding to staging area 3.
Vitals are stable at 72 BPM.
Proceeding with the injection now.
Noted. Preparing the next tray.
Injection complete. Monitor for reaction.
Acknowledged. Vitals are steady.
Level looks good on the left.
Confirmed, matching the level on the right. We're showing optimal agitation levels for the synthetic hides.
Noted. The timer shows 2 hours remaining on this batch.
Check the flow rate on panel 4. We're showing a slight pressure drop.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next cycle closely.
Scan zone 4. Expedite.
Acknowledged. Moving to pallet 7.
Quality on this rack seems consistent.
Running the automated scan now. Confirmed.
Noted on the manifest.
Realignment initiated. The pattern is stabilizing.
Make sure the edges are clean.
This batch is ready for the next section.
subject approaching phase gate. Energy stabilization is optimal.
Confirmed. Ready for extraction sequence.
We need to increase the flow on the brushes.
All right, I'm making the adjustment now.
Temperature is holding steady at 150. Acknowledged. Initiating the next cycle now.
Ensure the pattern remain consistent at this speed B.
The viscosity seems stable, A. We are clear for the next batch.
Scan complete on Unit 7. Blue luminescence is stable.
Acknowledged. Proceed to folding area 3.
Align the markers on this one. Clear the aisle coming through.
Keep the leopard print coming steady.
How many for box 587?
10 sheets, then switch to the blue pattern.
The calibration looks good on this batch. Okay, I'll start stacking the finished cuts now.
Move the green stack to Station 3.
I need more thread over here. Are you keeping pace with the line?
Yes, passing it to quality control next.
Ensure the tension is correct on the gold buckles. We need 0 defects on this run.
This one is ready for inspection.
The stitching is perfect. Move it to the stacking area.
The assembly line ensures that every stitch and every latch meets our high standard of luxury craftsmanship.
Ensure the leopard pattern aligns perfectly before stamping. We need to maintain the rhythm.
Keep the line moving smoothly. Check the laces on those pairs before they reach the end.
Make sure the gold filigree is perfectly aligned before stitching. We need another stack of the leopard covers over here.
Make sure the pattern aligns perfectly on this batch.
Got it. Stacking the finished ones now.
The pink batch is moving faster than expected.
Yes, the calibration looks good on this cycle.
Level 4 is approaching maximum capacity.
Acknowledged. Slow the feed rate now.
We're proud of what we've built here. Thank you for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button to follow our journey.